15 important MCQ from chapter Constitutional Design, Civics, class 9th. So let's start. First, when did the Indian Constitution come into force? A. 26 November 1949, B. 15th August 1947, C. 26 January 1950, D. 26 January 1930. The correct answer is C. 26 January 1950. Second, in the Constituent Assembly, the first captain of the Indian hockey team also had a role. A. Baldev Singh, B. Somnath Lahiri, C. Jaipal Singh, D. K. M. Munshi. The correct answer is A. Baldev Singh. Third, when was the Constitution of India adopted? A. 26 November 1949, B. 26 January 1949, C. 26 January 1950, D. 26 November 1950. The correct answer is A. 26 November 1949. Fourth, the Constitution begins with a short statement of its basic values. What is it called? A. Preface, B. Preamble, C. Introduction, D. Article. The correct answer is B. Preamble. Fifth, how many amendments were considered before adopting the Constitution? A. Around 500, B. Around 2000, C. Around 1550, D. Around 1000. The correct answer is B. Around 2000. Sixth, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, D. Abdul Kalam Azad. The correct answer is C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. 7th, which of these features were accepted by all the Indian leaders much before they sat down to make the Constitution? A. Universal adult franchise, B. Right to freedom, C. Protection of the rights of minorities, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 8th, which of these inspired our leaders while farming the Constitution? A. Ideals of the French Revolution, B. Parliamentary democracy in Britain, C. Bill of Rights in US, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 9th, when did South Africa become a democratic country? A. 26th April 1995, B. 26th April 1994, C. 24th March 1994, D. 27th April 1996. The correct answer is B. 26th April 1994. 10th, Congress session of 1931 was held at A. Karachi, B. Lucknow, C. Kanpur, D. Madras, now Chennai. The correct answer is A. Karachi. 11th, in which year did Motilal Nehru and others draft a constitution for India? A. 1931, B. 1928, C. 1929, D. 1932. The correct answer is B. 1928. 12th, the Constituent Assembly met for how many days? A. 114, B. 280, C. 365, D. 150. The correct answer is A. 114. 13th, Which of the following days is celebrated to mark the enforcement of the Constitution? A. Republic Day. B. Independence Day. C. Gandhi Jayanti. D. Constitution Enforcement Day. The correct answer is A. Republic Day. 14th. Which of these countries is example of a republic? A. USA. B. India. C. South Africa. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 15th. Name the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. A. The Long Walk to Freedom. B. South Africa Wins Freedom. C. Walk to Freedom. D. Our Freedom. The correct answer is A. The Long Walk to Freedom. If you found the video useful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.